In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job in BambooHR. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, candidate-ready job posting from start to finish. First, sign into your BambooHR account and head to the hiring area. This is your central hub for managing openings. Look for the option to create a new job opening and open it to start entering your job details. Begin with the posting title. Keep it accurate and searchable. Use a standard job title and, if helpful, include the location or level, like senior or entry level. Next, choose the job status to reflect whether the role is actively open or being prepared. Assign a hiring lead so it's clear who owns the process and receives notifications. Select the department to tie the job to the right team. This helps with reporting and internal visibility. Then choose the employment type such as full-time, part-time, contract, or internship so expectations are clear from the start. Set the minimum experience required. Keep it realistic and aligned with the job scope to avoid discouraging strong candidates. Enter compensation details including range and pay type. Transparent ranges build trust and help attract qualified applicants. Make sure the currency and frequency match your company's standards. Choose the job location next. If the role is remote or hybrid, specify that here so candidates understand where work will happen. Add a thorough description. Start with a compelling summary, then outline key responsibilities, required qualifications, and preferred skills. Keep the language inclusive and straightforward. If your organization uses job codes, you can add one here for tracking and internal reporting. Move into application details to select the application questions. Use this to capture essentials like work eligibility or required certifications, and add role-specific questions that quickly confirm fit without overwhelming applicants. Open the job pipeline and enable it if it isn't already. Your pipeline stages guide how candidates move through the process. Keep the stages clear and consistent so your team can collaborate smoothly and avoid bottlenecks. Set up automated emails to acknowledge applications and communicate updates. A friendly confirmation email improves the candidate experience, and status updates help keep everyone informed. Choose the job boards you want to connect. Select the boards that fit your role and audience, and ensure your integration is connected so the posting can be shared accurately. When everything looks good, click Save Job to finalize your opening. That's it. Your job is ready based on the settings you've configured. Thanks for watching and happy hiring.